All right, taking a look at silver, we have a little bit of a pullback in silver. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for silver. So a few things to point out here. Number one, on this rally, silver broke above the swing high, this interim swing high here of 32.33 a bit, and then hit the 61.8% retracement with this day's high right here of 32.55. The high for the swing was 32.65, which was hit last Friday, and you can see how that resulted in essentially a almost a key reversal day, meaning the technical requirements, but the same thing is occurring. We have the buyers leading the way earlier on the session, but they encounter some turbulence, and the sellers take over, driving the price all the way down towards the end of the day's range by the close. So we didn't get direct follow through in that today. Instead, there's a continuation of testing this zone as resistance, the zone being this swing high here, the 62% retracement, and this trend line here. And so that whole zone here for about 4 days created this sideways action with a lower daily high and lower daily low triggered today. So that puts silver in a position to either break out and continue higher or pull back first. And it looks like the pullback first may be the more likely scenario. That is first indicated on a drop below today's low at 31.71. The key levels to watch are the 31.17, 31.18, which is this 50% retracement, plus on the weekly chart, which is not shown, it is the 20-week moving average. And then we have a little bit below there, the 20-day moving average at 31.0708. That is a key level as well, along with the 62% retracement at 30.83, and the 50 moving average down here at 30.58 or so. So how far back the pullback goes before a bullish reversal that triggers a continuation of this trend, that is going to tell us something about the underlying strength or weakness of this developing trend right here, because we have to take into consideration that this is a false breakout above this swing high and above this trend line. And once you have a false breakout and you start heading in the other direction, there's a tendency to go towards the other side of the pattern, and that would be the lower line because of this rough channel. It's not a perfect parallel channel, but I could make it such. If I just take this and bring it over here, for example, we would have a bit of a parallel channel, but I'm not looking at it that way. So we'll keep it like this for now. And the bottom line is that because it has a potential to go to the bottom line, it makes these other levels more likely to be reached, even if the lower line is not reached. And of course, a decisive breakout above the swing high of 32.65 has silver heading towards, it looks like this interim swing high over here at 32.96, followed by the 78.6% retracement at 33.56. All right, that is it for silver traders. Have a great week.